Hi guys, welcome back. So, just like to start this one by saying thank you to everyone for watching, commenting and liking. And we've just reached 700 subscribers today, so that is absolutely brilliant. And if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button, drop me a comment, and remember to hit the like. It really helps out the algorithm of the channel. So today I'm going to be showing the chili peppers, and we're only going to be showing the hot peppers today. I'm going to do the sweet peppers in a separate video, but it'll pretty much be the same sort of thing. So we've got 4 different varieties here. We've got the jalapeno. I never used to like jalapenos, but I pickled some last year and they were absolutely lovely. So we're going to do a few more this year and hopefully get some pickling done with them. And then we've got the pepper de cayenne. Again, grew these last year, but I only did 1 or 2, and that was more than enough for us because we don't really eat much hot peppers, so I'm only going to do a couple of them. And this one, I can't even pronounce this, so sorry about the pronunciation. Razzmatazz. Multicoloured peppers for pots, and these are supposed to be quite hot. Attractive medium hot upward facing peppers, ideal for growing in pots or on a sunny patio. So I'm assuming these are quite a small plant. So I'm going to do a couple of them. And then these ones were sent to me by Ali D over at the Rusty Gardener's place. I will pop a link to her channel in the description of this video. And these are murasaki mild long purple chilies. And I think they're Japanese. I'm not 100% sure. But thank you very much for them, Ali. And don't forget to check out her channel. Link will be in the description at the bottom of this video. Right then, so get started. We're going to be sowing them into single cell trays. These are 9 in each one. And depending on the amount of seeds and all that, we'll see how many we do. Compost has been sieved, so if we put a couple of seeds in each tray, we can still separate them out in the long run if need be, which I think I might do. Might put 3 or 4 in each one and just see how they get on. Plant labels and marker pen. So I'll get these labels written up and we'll carry on from there. Right, so now that we've got our labels written up, really should have done that first. We will start with the long purple and work our way through. So, like I was saying, a 9 cell seed tray. These cells are probably 5 centimeters, 4 by 5 roughly, and compost has been sieved. And I'm just using the general multi-purpose compost here. A bit tamped down. Right, so pop that label in there. And all I'm going to do, so there's 8 seeds in here. 2, 4, 6. So we'll do 3 in 2 and 2 in the last one. So I'll make 3 little holes about centimetre deep, if that, and 2 in the bottom one, and just put, I'll try to put one, that didn't go to plan, in each. And that top one's at 2. See if I can fish that out. Just like that. And then just put a tiny bit of compost on top of them again. And just compact them down to make sure that the seeds have contact with the soil. Just like that. I think we'll do the cayenne next. Or cayenne. Average 50 seeds to a pack. These were free with the Grow Your Own magazine, which I really need to stop getting because I have an abundance of seeds now. But I'm sure we all keep buying them magazines. A lot of the time I don't even read the magazine. I'm going to go for 3 in each on this one. So exactly the same, just double 3 little holes in each. And I might put 2 seeds in each hole in this one. Just because we've got the actual seeds. There's plenty of them. We can thin them out at a later date, even separate them on into separate pots. But I really don't want too many hot chilies this year, except for the jalapeños. A little bit of compost on top there again. And just compact it down, ensuring that seeds have contact with the soil. And the Razzmatazz, if that's how it's pronounced. Mr. Father Girls, multicoloured peppers. Average 50 seeds in a pack. Little space, no problem. So these only grow 30 centimetres. So yeah, if you haven't got much room, these would be ideal in small pots, I'd imagine, even on the windowsill or out on the patio. Or I think we're going to do 3 again in each tray, in each cell. And again, I'll just put a couple of seeds in each hole. Give us a better chance of success. And the reason we sow our chilies so early is they take so long to grow. We just don't have the right climate here in the UK. So it's good to start them off early, indoors, you know, on propagators and under lights. You don't really need lights, windowsill is good enough. They'll just be a bit slower growing, but they will catch up in the end. And I'm just going to put a handful of vermiculite on top, if I can find it. A handful of vermiculite on top. This just helps with moisture retention, so it'll help keep the seeds moist until they've germinated. Right, so that's that tray done. So there's 3 different types in there, and we'll do another tray now with the jalapenos, and I think I'm going to do a whole tray of these because, like I said, they were really nice pickled, and I'm hoping to get a good few jars again this year because I only had 1 or 2 plants last year. Didn't really get many, got quite a bit but not a substantial amount, not enough to last. So we're going to do a few more of them this year. I'll only do 2 in each cell this time. And don't forget guys, if you'd like to see the progress of these and see how they get on throughout the year, and maybe even do a pickling video at the end of the year, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification button, little bell icon, and you'll get notified whenever I release new content. So again, average 50 seeds. Must be a thing with peppers, 50 seeds in a pack. Don't know who counts them. I'll tell you that. It's 20 there. It's not even a quarter of them. Right, so again we'll do a couple in each hole, just for the best chance of germination. But these are new seeds, so I don't see a problem with that. Quite a few in that one, doesn't matter. Like I said, we can always thin these out, or even just snip out the weaker ones and leave the strongest plants behind. Just pack them down. And I'll add a bit more vermiculite on top of these, and then we'll go through to the kitchen where these will be on top of my fish tank because it's nice and warm up there. I've set up a little thermometer up there just to check the temperature. But chilies and peppers, they do need warmth for germination, so if you do have a heated propagator, it's a good idea to use that. But I've always used the top of my fish tank naturally warm up there, so I'm not using any extra electric on heating them up like I am in here. It's close to a water source and it's making use of a space that otherwise probably wouldn't be getting used for much. Right, so that's a tray of jalapenos done. So we'll go into the kitchen, get set up, and I'll show you where they're going to be staying until they are a good few inches tall. Right then guys, so back in the kitchen. Excuse the mess on the fish tank. Desperately need to clean. But up here, you can see we've got two T5 LED grow lights. They're only on a single light at the moment, so I can up that to 2 if needed, but they seem to be doing just fine on the 1 at the moment. So we've got spring onions that we sowed the other day, lettuce, calabrese, cauliflowers, some more onions need potting on there, Swiss pansies, the lobelias. So far I've had this thermometer on top of here for about 15-20 minutes now, and it's gone up to 16.5. I'm pretty sure that's still going up slowly, but 16 to 20 is about perfect for your chilies, so they'll just be going up here now. I'll go and bring them up now. So that's them up there, and see that's still going up as we speak. Take that off there for now, and all I'll be doing with these is getting a jug full of water straight from the tank, and I'll just let these soak that up. And because this water's warm, there's no shock to the seeds or anything like that. It's already been aerated, so it shouldn't have any chlorine in it. And another thing we could do is just give them spraying. But I do prefer just to water the tray. I'll do it that way. So yeah guys, that's how I sow my chili peppers. And don't forget, hit that subscribe button if you'd like to see how these get on. And I will be doing the sweet peppers next. Probably in exactly the same way, but I'll still do a video on it anyway. Look at these onions. They need pricking out and potting on. They're the red Elsa Craig. Don't get many of them. They were an old packet. Elsa, not many of them. Kelsey, not many of them again. But the Expedition, quite a few of them to pot on. So pricking them out and potting them on soon as well. Right guys, so that's about it for this one today. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button, drop me a comment and hit the like button. Bye for now.